Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I am in Washington, D.C. Our office is in Washington, D.C. And we help clients with all types of immigration applications. And our clients are located all throughout the United States. Today, I had consultations with clients in Colorado, in California, Texas, New Jersey, right? So we had consultations with clients located all throughout the United States. We are in Washington, D.C. We can represent you no matter where in the U.S. you are located, as long as the issue that we are helping you with is immigration. We help with all types of immigration matters. So some of our sample cases, one of our most common case types that we help with is VAWA, which is for victims of abuse. And the classification that we help most with are for those folks that are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders, and they are experiencing abuse in their marriage, and we help them apply for VAWA. And the majority of them also qualify for a green card, so we help them with VAWA, green card. We also help with work authorization, travel authorization for these folks. So that is one of our most common case types, but we also, at this time of the year, if you guys are familiar with H-1B, now is the time that H-1B starts ramping up. So that's an example of one of our business immigration cases, and we help with business cases as well. We help companies sponsor temporary visas for up to 6 years, 7 years in some cases. We help with extraordinary ability visas for individuals that bring a specialized skill to the job. We also do e-visas for investors. So we really have a whole array of applications that we can help with, which is humanitarian. We focus on T visas, U visas, and VAWA. T visas are for victims of trafficking. U visas are for victims of crime. VAWA is what I just described about a minute ago. We also work with employment. And of course, like most immigration law firms, we also help with family. So this gives us a broad range of experience. If we speak to you and you're not eligible for one way, we'll work with you and see if you might be eligible for, if you call about employment, you're not eligible for employment. Many times we're able to help you with a humanitarian application that comes with a work permit as well. So we can help certainly with any type of immigration application. If you're just joining me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. I hope you guys are enjoying your Monday. I will start off with a question of the day, but the reason I'm on here is to provide some immigration information to you so you understand immigration a little bit better, so you can understand sort of how the government might think about a specific case. We talked to folks today that we're feeling extra anxious about a very straightforward application, so we can hopefully give you some information so you can feel better about your applications generally. Okay. All right. So one of the questions I want to talk about today is something that comes up for our VAWA clients. And I think this is really important for folks that are thinking about VAWA. So remember, the most common VAWA type for us are people that are here without status. So either they crossed the border illegally, or they came in on something like a tourist visa and that tourist visa status expired. In the meantime, they married a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and were intending to start a life with them, right? So that's the most common case type. What ended up happening was the relationship turned abusive, and that abuse can be verbal abuse. It can be psychological or emotional abuse. So keep that in mind, because there is not always physical abuse in a VAWA case. Okay, sometimes there is, sometimes there is not. All right. So one of the questions that comes up in a VAWA case is, will USCIS notify my abuser about the VAWA case? Will USCIS notify the abuser about the VAWA case? No. USCIS treats VAWA as a highly confidential and sensitive matter. They will not talk to anyone about your VAWA case. That is a protection that's given to victims of abuse, so they can feel strong enough or have the courage to come forward and apply for status, for immigration status, so they can be free from the abuse. That is something that USCIS values and will treat your VAWA application incredibly confidentially. Your abuser will not be contacted. Your abuser will not even have to consent to this application, okay? You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. So that's something that comes up very often. If you guys have questions, please, put your questions in here. Someone here on TikTok says, "Hi, how are you?" I'm doing well, thank you. You can see I'm working from home and my dog is barking, so not the best for a live, but you guys come on with me so often, so it's pretty cool that you guys get to see me sort of in these different environments, and I get to share that with you. Anyway, I know some folks here really enjoy my dog quite a bit. She's a little special. Anyway, okay. Tara says, how long for a work permit after a biometrics appointment through a marriage? Oh, that's a great question. So if you're doing a marriage-based green card and you've already had your biometrics appointment, I would expect to see work authorization in about a month or so after your biometrics appointment. So that is a great question. Thank you, Tahara, for asking that. So if you're wondering, I had my biometrics appointment, I have a marriage-based green card pending. It's maybe a one step where you filed everything together at the same time. It should expect to see your work permit in about a month after the fingerprinting appointment. I hope that is helpful to you. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, here's another question that I think will be helpful. Do I need to include a photo of abuse in my VAWA application packet? So do I need to include a photo of bruises or physical abuse in my VAWA packet? So for VAWA, all types of abuse are treated sort of the same. We're looking for a pattern of abuse to prove extreme cruelty. So that would include things like verbal abuse, name calling, for example, yelling, manipulation, different ways that your spouse might try to control you, right? So that might not always include physical abuse. So you don't need photos because you can qualify for VAWA. You can receive benefits through VAWA. Even if you don't have physical abuse in the marriage, you can use the emotional abuse, the psychological and verbal abuse, and any other form of abuse as well. So what we're looking for is a pattern of abuse. It can be all types of abuse. All right. Call us if we can help you with your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C., but our clients are all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. I look forward to meeting many of you for a consultation. Again, you can reach us for a consultation, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you'd like to go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, you can schedule a consultation directly from our Facebook page. You can also schedule a consultation from our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Again, that's agarwalimmigration.com. If you want to learn more about me or our law firm, you can definitely do that on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. We're in the process of updating our website, and I'm so excited to share that with you. Okay? Great. Will I get deported? This is a really important question. Will I get deported if my VAWA self-petition is denied? So will I get deported if my VAWA self-petition is denied? That is something that many people that might be eligible for VAWA get worried about, right? So sometimes you have kids here with your abusive spouse. You're scared of getting deported. That is completely understandable. Currently, the VAWA denials are not getting put into removal proceedings. So luckily, knock on wood, our firm has been fairly successful in our VAWA cases. VAWA denials are not automatically getting put into removal proceedings, for example, like asylum, right? So if you're deciding between VAWA and asylum, you may consider doing VAWA because you're not automatically placed in removal proceedings. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. The way you start a case with us is through a consultation. So one of the things that I would recommend if you are unsure of how to apply for something, or if you want to talk to a lawyer and figure out timing, how long is this going to take? What documents do I need? What are the eligibility requirements? I left the US and I overstayed and I came back. Is that going to be a problem? I have kids here that are US citizens. How does that help? If you have any questions like this, a consultation is going to be really, really great for you. So what you should do when you come to the consultation, we will guide it for you so you don't need 1,000 documents. You don't need any documents at all. The things that we need to know, most people know offhand. I almost never have someone who doesn't know when they came into the US, or I don't need the exact date, but just a general idea, right? So most of the questions that I have for you, you will know offhand. If you need to look at documents, you can do it after the consultation and send me an email. But most of the time we're walking through what you're eligible for, right? What are you eligible for? Have you had these types of experiences? If your employer is going to sponsor you, we're going to ask you your job duties. So there's going to be different things like that we will discuss. We'll talk about if you qualify. We'll talk about potential hurdles to qualifying. We'll talk about if you need a waiver, step by step, everything that's involved and what our firm does and how we even prepare that case and how much you can expect from us in terms of communication, availability, and what the final product looks like, what's included, and then the benefits, which is the main part, right? The green card, the work authorization, everything else involved. So give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name, again, is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. We are here on TikTok. We're streaming live on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And I would encourage you to follow us and like us on all those platforms so you can get notified when I come on live. I'm trying to come on more frequently for you guys so I can help you figure out just immigration rules generally, and hopefully give you some information about different cases and how they might be decided and what's required, right? You might have benefits available to you and you have no idea. So that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to talk to you about how you can get status in the United States and how you might be able to take advantage of getting work authorizations, travel authorization, see that family back home. We just had a couple of VAWA approvals recently, which is really the heart of our firm. We're thrilled for our clients whenever we get VAWA approvals. It's like we are in tears. Our team calls them. We just get very, very excited because these are folks that have been here in the United States without status. But most often the first thing that they say is, I'm so excited to go home and see my parents, or I'm so excited to see my mother. My father passed away and I wasn't able to go to the funeral. This is not something that I hear one time. I hear it over and over again. And for us to be part of that journey is just very touching and humbling, really, that they chose us to help them in this journey. So we are just eternally grateful for our VAWA clients, and we're with them hand in hand to celebrate the success of getting that VAWA approved. So if we can help you with your applications, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C., but we can help you no matter where you are located, anywhere in the United States. Okay, so no matter where you are located, anywhere in the United States, we would love to help you with your immigration case. Make sure that you give us a call or schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website. The phone number to call is 703-348-1663. Make sure to like us and follow us on all our social media pages. Like us and follow us on all our social media pages so you can be notified when I go live. And then share this post with others that might want to join us in this immigration conversation. So share this with others if you think that they might want to join us in this immigration discussion. And so they can also come on, learn a little bit about immigration, and hopefully come back a little bit, leave a little bit stronger. How long does it take to get work permit and travel document for VAWA? I can travel in India. That's a great question. So for VAWA, it takes about, let me go back. So the question again is, how long does it take to get work permit and travel document for a VAWA? Remember that most of our VAWA applicants also qualify for adjustment of status, which is a green card application. So you'd be applying for both VAWA and a green card at the same time. So with a pending green card application, it's taking between 6 and 8 months to receive both work authorization and travel authorization. This means that you can work anywhere in the United States legally, right? It's a huge benefit, and you can certainly take advantage of that. If we can help you with VAWA and a green card, hopefully, you can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. I hope that's helpful, Core. I should also note, if you're only applying for VAWA and not a green card, so if you're just applying for VAWA, you have to have the VAWA approved before you become eligible for work authorization, okay? So that can take over 1.5 years. So if you can be eligible for VAWA and a green card, most of our clients are, you can receive work authorization in about between 6 months to 8 months. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and we help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Corey, I hope that was helpful to you. Great. Okay, Macy says, how long after my receipt notice do I get a prima facie? Ooh, excuse me, guys. So how long after my receipt notice, I'm going to take a sip of water. Excuse me for a second. So how long after my receipt notice do I get a prima facie determination? So this is in VAWA cases. So what a prima facie is a pre-approval of sorts of your case. So basically the government has looked at your application and they say that on its face, it's approvable. We haven't reviewed everything. We haven't done background checks, but it looks to me like you have all the evidence necessary for us to approve this case. So prima facie is issued usually 2 to 3 months after we submit the application. So you should be expecting to see it in about another 2 months or so. It's a great first step in a VAWA case. If we can help you with it, if we can help you with VAWA, reach out to us, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome, guys. This is wonderful to see you today, and I hope that I'm just scrolling through to see if there's any other quick questions. I don't see very many. I think I've gotten to most of them. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Again, reminder to follow us, like us, if you want to join us again, but make sure to share this post with others. And that way we can all have this conversation together. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. So excited to see you today on this Monday. I hope you have a wonderful and productive week. I look forward to meeting many of you. Call us if we can help you with a consultation. That phone number again is 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. You can also go on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule consultation right from there as well. We're doing them by phone, by Zoom, and in person, so you'll see all those options. Okay, hope you have a great evening. I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.